The Internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. It allows devices worldwide to communicate with each other. Internet transmits information through a system called packet switching. Data is broken into small packets before being sent. Packets are reassembled at the destination to form the original data. Each device on the Internet has a unique IP address. IP addresses help route data from the source to the destination. Routers are devices that direct data packets along the network. Packets can travel different paths to reach the same destination. Protocols like TCP, IP ensure data is correctly sent and received. TCP ensures reliable data transmission between devices. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, is used for web communication. URLs are used to access specific resources on the Internet. Domain Name System, DNS, translates domain names to IP addresses. DNS servers help locate the IP address of a domain name. Internet service providers, ISPs, connect users to the Internet. ISPs handle the routing and transmission of data. Wireless technology enables Internet access without cables. Broadband and fiber optics offer high-speed Internet connections. Wi-Fi provides wireless Internet to devices within a local area. Modems and routers assist in connecting home networks to the Internet. Cellular networks enable mobile Internet access through smartphones. Satellites provide Internet access to remote areas. VPNs offer secure, encrypted connections over the Internet. Firewalls protect networks from unauthorized access and threats. Internet works through a complex interplay of hardware and software. It relies on physical infrastructure, like cables and satellites. Internet continues to evolve with advancements in technology. It has transformed communication, commerce, and access to information. Understanding Internet operations helps users navigate and utilize its benefits efficiently.